Next, we'll explore one of the fundamental building blocks of the AOV system, namely the Arnold AOV object. Note the multipass workflow described in previous lessons is still recommended. The purpose of this particular discussion is to gain even deeper understanding of how AOVs work. You have probably already noticed that activating output variables is dynamically reflected by the number of custom objects seen in the Objects Manager. What we'll do next is an exercise aiming to get AOVs working by manually recreating a lot of the steps Arnold makes in the background. So let's deactivate all AOVs and start clean. The first thing we need is a display driver. Consider using drivers is a topic we'll explore in detail in upcoming lessons. For the time being, simply navigate to the dedicated control panel, select Arnold driver, and change the type to Cinema 4D display. The driver ships with a default beauty pass, which automatically renders in the IPR. What we need next is an Arnold AOV object connected to that particular control hub. To confirm the changes we did so far, select the driver object, check Setup AOVs, followed by the OK button. Now we can select the newly created pass in the display dropdown. As you can see, this will result in a render failed message simply because there is no data stored in this particular layer. Assigning information to AOVs is all about giving them the right names. So let's call the pass Direct Diffuse, refresh the list, and back in the IPR, select Direct Diffuse from the display dropdown. This, as you can see, will give us the familiar Direct Diffuse AOV. You can easily get the rest of the image layers by creating additional AOV objects with the correct names assigned. Let's call this one direct underscore specular. Once again, update the list and check the pass in the IPR. An alternative approach would be to hold down Ctrl or Command and drag an existing AOV to create a copy. Let's call this one Refraction. Update. And evaluate the output in the IPR.